Today I have the pleasure to welcome Eduardo Konarzewski, Brisken. Welcome, Eduardo.
Thank you very much, Francois.
So could you share what led to Brisken Consulting's rebrand to Brisken Treasury Solutions?
Sure. Brisken was born nearly 10 years ago because the founders at the time spotted opportunities to fill gaps or enhance SAP Treasury solutions. This balance of software development and consulting skills is the essence of Brisken's uniqueness. Brisken grew and continues to grow because of its know-how and experience implementing SAP Treasury modules, while at the same time developing a platform that allows us to deploy apps that integrate with our customers' treasury management systems. The goal going forward is to let the software development team focus on our platform, One Pilot, while Brisken Treasury Solutions focuses on selling and deploying the treasury solutions, both products and services. The rebrand reflects our strategic evolution and our commitment to addressing the increasingly complex needs of treasury and finance organizations. As Brisken Treasury Solutions, we are reinforcing our focus on specialized advisory and technology-driven AI-first treasury solutions. For our clients, this transition will be seamless. They will experience no disruption to existing services, contracts, or relationships. My priority as CEO is to build on our foundation of trust and deliver even greater value through innovation and deep treasury expertise.
You've spoken about AI-first strategy for enterprise finance. What does that actually mean?
Well, in plain terms, if AI can do it, then use it. Ever since OpenAI came out with ChatGPT in November 2022 and 100 million people started using it within 2 months, it was clear that things were changing very quickly. Back then, sounds like a long time ago, no one really knew how to use it in the corporate world, how to control it, or could imagine how much the world was about to change. Nearly 3 years later, it is clear that AI and large language models, LLMs, are here to stay, and they have an outsized impact on the world economics, new technology development, and even on the job market. CFOs and treasurers right now, they need to be thinking about how to leverage AI for managing their businesses and departments. AI is a tool, these days available to most everyone, and companies still need to figure out how to use it in a deep, impactful way.
How should finance and treasury leaders get started if they want to move in this direction?
Often companies don't see the low-hanging fruit or are afraid to take the first step because this is, after all, a very new technology, and most people still don't know how it operates or how to make it comply to their policies. Because Brisken Treasury Solutions has been working with LLMs since early 2023 and working together with customers to build business cases, we can help companies brainstorm for ideas, guide the internal discussions, but also to deliver on these solutions as designed by the customers. Back in 2023, we presented at a Treasury conference our One Pilot platform integrated with an LLM and SAP. At the time, people were interested, but they were not ready to kick off a project. Some customers asked us questions, then took the discussions in-house. A year later, in June 2024, at the same conference, the interest had shifted, and now customers were asking more questions about budget, potential timelines, and they were curious about their competitors and what they were doing. You could see that there was a need to start something in those corporates. That should be the goal. Treasury leaders need to start with something. It could be a proof of concept, a small project, or simply implementing a solution for a small branch or a country, but something. We can help identify the opportunities, design that solution, and define the next steps for our customers.
But can you share example of companies using your AI solution today? Is this only relevant for SAP Finance users, or can non-SAP Finance team benefit too?
One thing I need to make clear, Francois, is that our platform is technology agnostic. We can use it with any LLM available in the market, or even your own LLM that was trained in-house. Second, the platform is also technology agnostic with integrations. So, because it is a cloud-based solution, and as long as we can integrate with your own ERP or TMS, we can build whatever treasury business case you have and deploy it, just like we do for our SAP customers. Today, our customers started to dip their feet in the water by doing POCs or small projects. Usually what happens in these cases is that companies have one or a few individuals who are the ones pushing for AI and building treasury solutions around AI. These people, they need budget, they need approvals, they need to convince their legal team and compliance teams why it makes sense. You have to remember, most people in corporates are still looking for ways to understand and control AI instead of concentrating on the business case and efficiencies it delivers. As for concrete examples, our customers are looking for opportunities to remove the human from the repetitive tasks or tasks for processing information. Decision-making processes still require approvals and sit with the humans in finance and treasury. But, that too will probably change over time.
And how do you see AI adoption progressing over the next 12 to 18 months?
If this shift that we saw between 2023 and 2024 continues, very soon, every company will have people looking for opportunities to involve AI in their daily tasks, some even deploying these solutions. I think that the more people use ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, or any of these popular LLMs available to consumers, then the more comfortable they will get with the technology, and eventually that will translate to their daily tasks at work too. The question that treasury leaders should be asking themselves is, when do I want to adopt AI and this new reality, not if.
Eduardo, thanks for this comment and insightful information.
Thank you very much for your time, Francois. It's been a pleasure.